Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Marvish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing a very famous Italian dessert recipe that is tiramisu. It's a layered dessert with some sponge finger dipped in coffee with some cocoa powder and luscious and luxurious mixture of mascarpone cheese. Usually that cheese mixture is made with eggs or raw eggs, but today I'm sharing a recipe with no eggs and of course no alcohol in there. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe with Bismillah. First we're gonna make our coffee liquid mixture. For that I am taking hot boiling water and adding some instant coffee granules. Just mix the coffee granules with the water and then we'll keep this coffee mixture on the side and let it cool down a little bit. Till then we're gonna go and make our mascarpone cheese mixer. For that, of course, we need mascarpone cheese, and this cheese is available at regular grocery store. And since I got the small pack, so I'm using 2 packs for this recipe. Then with the electric beater, I will mix this mixture for like a minute or two until it's gonna combine and fluffy. Then I'll add some condensed milk. Yes, this condensed milk will replace the eggs. And with the electric beater, I'll mix until the cheese and the condensed milk is fully combined. Now we keep this cheese mixture on the side and take another regular mixing bowl and add heavy whipping cream. Now again with the electric beater, I'll mix this cream until it forms soft peaks. We don't want any stiff peak. And then I'll transfer this whipped cream to our cheese mixture, and with a very light hand, with the help of spatula, we'll fold the cream with the cheese mixture. Now we'll keep this mixture on the side and we'll take our serving bowl. Today I'm using 9 by 13 inch glass dish, and I'm very lightly greasing the dish. And now we need lady fingers, and they are also called sponge fingers, and these fingers comes in 2 different textures, soft or crispier. I tried this recipe with both of the lady fingers and they turn equally good, and all those lady fingers are available in regular grocery store. Now I'm arranging the lady fingers at the bottom of your serving bowl. Now we need to soak this lady fingers with our coffee mixture. You can dip your lady fingers in there, or just take the tablespoon of coffee mixture and pour it on top of your lady fingers. Now we'll take our mascarpone cheese mixture, just eyeball it and just pour the half of the mixture on top of your lady fingers. With the help of spatula, just smooth the top. I am not smoothing out at the edges because I just wanted to give it a droopy look. Now I'll add some cocoa powder on top of this layer. For that I'm taking cocoa powder, adding it onto a strainer and just sprinkling lavishly on top of this cheese mixture. If you're afraid of the bitterness of cocoa powder, don't get scared. The mascarpone mixture is too sweet to balance out the bitterness of cocoa powder and coffee. Now I'm arranging the second layer of lady fingers and doing the same, just adding a tablespoon of coffee liquid on top of each lady finger. Then I'll pour the remaining mascarpone cheese mixture on top of it and again spread it out evenly on top of the lady fingers. Then I'm just trying to tap the mixture here. Since it's a glass dish, I don't want to tap it on the counter. And again goes the sprinkle, lavish sprinkle of cocoa powder, and you have to be lavish at this layer because that's the top layer of your dessert. And if you have any droppings of the cocoa powder, don't worry, just clean it with a paper towel or with the pastry brush, and then it goes in the fridge for at least 6 to 12 hours, which makes it a make ahead dessert. So make a day before, put it in the fridge for your party, and serve this delicious tiramisu to your guests. If you want a thicker sturdy layer, instead of using a 9 by 13 inch, you can make it in a 8 by 8 or 9 by 9 serving platter. Or since that custardy mixture is not at all droopy, you can make in a open serving platter as well and enjoy it with your family or with your guests. And if you want a clean cut, just whenever you're cutting the slices, just dip the knife after every cut in the water and clean it with a paper towel. And if you're trying this make ahead, no eggs, no alcohol, and easy dessert at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.